Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Destiny 2 game is crashing or crash on startup. Guys, first solution is try this command only if crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Destiny 2 game. Go to your game properties. Now here you'll see the launch option. Just type here -tx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check if your game is still crashing in mid game, then just type here -tx12. Now launch the game, then check if your game is still crashing, then just type here -d3d11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check if your game is still crashing, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just go to the install file, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then relaunch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just click on the browse option and locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Click on apply, launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable, click on apply, now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8. Now click on apply, now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crash or crash on startup or mid game, then just uncheck these two boxes, click on the apply option, click on the OK and just close it. Now make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. So open it and go to the startup application. And here simply disable all the applications you are seeing, because when you start your PC, this application start automatically and causing interfere with your game and causing your game crash issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, so the next solution that you can try is update your graphic card drivers or Windows. So go to your Windows setup, here the updates and open it, then just update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update all of these, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now I hope one of these solutions fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.